Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity and vibration duration on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called sounds and vibration and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called vibration and tap on it. And right here we have the vibration duration and below we have vibration intensity. First, let's go to the vibration duration and here we can select between short and long. You can tap on them and you have the preview. It's barely hearable because the watch is not touching the desk, but let me try. So this is the long one and the short one. Select the one you like and then scroll down. Next we have the intensity, light or strong. This is light and this is strong. Select the one you like and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to home screen. And that's how you change the vibration intensity and vibration duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.